Hi, this is Dan Strahl, Regional Representative and Outside Sales Manager for MKT Metal Manufacturing. I joined the MKT team back in 2006, was initially a part of the fabrication and production teams, went through the ABC apprenticeship program to become a mechanic and journeyman of the trade. I've been serving as the outside sales manager since the start of 2018. Prior to that, I was the regional representative for our central and northeastern territories of the company. That's ranging from South Central Pennsylvania up through New England. When not representing the company, I enjoy spending time with friends, family, enjoying the outdoors, and always tinkering with my cars. Thank you. Feel free to contact me at any time. I look forward to serving your projects.